Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this amazing recipe of a pizza pie. Okay, it sounds like something invented, but I'm telling you, this is tasty, this is good. I'm gonna start with the ingredients for the dough: 500 grams of flour, salt, 10 grams of baking powder, 100 grams of soft butter, 150 milliliters of milk, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. I put the butter in a larger bowl with some salt over it. I add now the eggs, 1 egg and 1 egg white, and I'm gonna mix really good with a whisk, and of course add the rest of the ingredients. I start with some flour, baking powder, milk, and I alternate all of these until I finish them all. I'm gonna knead the dough for about 10 minutes with my hands, and after it is nice and soft and compact, I'm gonna let it rest and relax and until I'm gonna be finished with the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna make a sauce with 50 grams of melted butter, 1 clove of garlic and some oregano. Stretch the dough on baking paper with a rolling pin in a really thin layer. I try to stretch it as a disc. I will make some cuts all around the dough. Like slices of pizza, and twist towards inside of the pie the parts that we cut a bit, and it's gonna look like a flower. And that sauce that we made with the garlic, butter and oregano, I brush it over the pie. I will put mini mozzarella in the folds and some pesto in the middle, slices of cherry tomatoes all around the pie. And now you should use the toppings of your choice. I will add some cheese in the middle, some mozzarella cheese. Over that pesto. I really love pesto, but it's up to you if you want to use it or not. This is why I didn't even write the ingredients up here, because you should use the ingredients that normal use for your favorite pizza. Instead of salami, I'm gonna add this cured meat, and I'm just gonna rip it like this in thin slices and put it in the center of the pie. Some olives, all around the inside of the pizza, the center of it. This dough will not puff up too much because it doesn't have any yeast. I sprinkle some pecorino and a few tomatoes. Then I'm gonna bake this in the oven for about 25 minutes at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Some oregano on top, and I bake it and looks like this, and it was delicious and so easy to prepare. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me help you a lot, and I'll be grateful. Ring that notification bell, comment down below and give me your thumbs up. Thank you. Find reasons to smile, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.